So I just posted my unboxing of the Louboutin Miss Z's. I got those last week Friday, and literally 3 days after I mentioned that I ordered online, but I wasn't sure if it was going to process because it kept going back and forth. Well, 3 days later it shipped and it's here. So I mentioned I ordered a size 8 and I ended up trying the 8.5 or 38, and I got the 38.5 and I thought it fit, so I was like, it's too late to cancel. If I don't like it, I'll return one. But I guess I can just retry it again together at home instead of on the Louboutin carpet to see. And I actually didn't try the 38s in store, so let me just unbox this. I also asked for gift wrapping, but this is the gift wrapping that I got. That's it. I thought it was going to be like in Louboutin gift wrap paper, but it's the same. So this is the packing slip. And I guess maybe, is this the gift? Is this gift wrapped? I mean, the ribbon, I thought this was standard, but it's still pretty. I was just like so excited when I got them in the store. I don't know, I feel like only ladies understand that. But here they are. I mean, exactly the same. These actually, it says that they shipped from the Crystal store in Las Vegas. It's just interesting to know which ones have it and which ones don't. Like, I wasn't expecting the Dallas boutique to have it. This one, but you can see the back. The side. I still love them. So I'll do a try on and I can see which ones fit better. Okay. So I'm gonna try out my Louboutins today. I actually haven't worn them out. I'm going to the Dior Cafe in Dallas, and I mean, why not wear a little red bottom? We'll test out if these are forever heels, so I don't feel as bad like wearing them, but definitely need to start breaking these in because these are the 120 millimeters and they're freaking huge. Okay. So here she is. Probably need to get a pedicure. They're so pretty. I probably need to lotion my feet. I'll put a little bit of on the top. Oh, hey girl, hey. Doing a little wear test. I don't normally wear shoes in the house, but I was just testing out how high they were. They are super high. Also didn't realize how skinny the heel was, but I kind of love it. And then just showing off the little red bottom here. You can see from the side profile, this thing, it's so high, but I love the arch. I just got back to my car from lunch, and I had to take these off because my feet are numb since this was the first time I used them. But this is the bottom of my Louboutins. There's no nothing chipped off, so I'll wipe these off when I get home. But honestly, I'm impressed, but also my feet are freaking numb. I mean, I guess all those years of clubbing in Vegas taught me how to deal with these because I felt like I could still walk, but oh my God, they do hurt. So, all right. So this is what the bottom of my shoe looks like. I showed you guys in the car, but it's still red. Here's the other one. So I kind of slipped when I was walking on cobblestones, so it kind of scratched a little bit, but I'm gonna wipe them off just to see what it looks like. And I think, no, I don't think this is the one that I slipped on. And it's pretty red. I think it's worth it. I know that some people are like, oh, it looks better when it's actually worn. Um, I don't know, but I don't think so. I think if I buy a pair of Socates or something, then I'll probably put the sole protectors on them. But these are like so, they barely look like I even use them. So gotta wear these out more to break them in. I do kind of wish I got the hundreds because I feel like those would be so much more comfortable. But I don't know, they do really make your feet look so nice. So yeah, love them. Okay, bye.